Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ADB Sudeep. Today we'll be taking our RC for a service because don't know from where, probably the head gasket is leaking and the engine oil's out. So we'll be taking her and getting a quick service from Highlander. Fuel level, battery level is fine, though I have not started it for around 2 months. Let's go and check it out. It's leaking though, but this is the oil stain from oil stain from the oil which leaked out of my bike. Thank God at least it's up. Damn. Oh. Whew. Damn, at last I have to push start my bike. But one good thing is at least my apartment has a basement too, so that I can take my bike to the basement too and just start it up. Damn. Okay, let's see. Let's start or no. Now the toughest part is climbing back up. Run. Oh. Oh shit. This was tough. This was totally tough. Calm down. Okay. Second try. This time in third gear. bike sounds pretty rough. It's vibrating, especially the right side panels. This is a common problem for almost all KTM RCs in India. Cannot say about a new one if they have got a washers or something else, but in 2K15 to 2K18 variant, the problem is still there. Now we are at the Sarjapur road, going towards HSR layout to Highlander. I'll have to get my bike checked. Not riding too fast, just control, because as I said before that probably my gasket blew off, so I have to ride it carefully instead of like throttling it out. I've reached Highlander. Probably there's no one here, but it's supposed to be open today. Yeah, it's open. I'll be asking for Arun. Just got the service done. Feels pretty smooth, and that was not a gasket leak, and it was just a drain bolt which lost its threading, so just got it changed quickly, and then it's fine again. And that's it for today. Signing out, ADV Sudeep.